Okay, I'm going to show you now how to do the popcorn stitch. I have a foundation, row here of an example I've been doing of some different stitches, but you just need a single crochet foundation row to start this stitch. So at the end of your row, you would chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and you are going to make your first popcorn stitch in the 1, 2, 3, the 5th chain from your hook, and you're going to yarn over. You're going to do a double crochet in this space. You're going to do a 5 double crochets in this same space. So I have 1 double crochet in the same space, another double crochet in the same space, another double crochet, so you now have 3. You're going to do 2 more, another double crochet, and now 5. So you do a total of 5 double crochets in the same space. You now have 5 double crochets, and you are going to pull up your loop, remove your hook, and in the space where you did your first double crochet, which is right here, you're going to insert your hook, bring that back through the first hook, and you're going to pull that yarn through right there. Now tighten that, and that's what will tighten your popcorn stitch. You're now going to chain 1, and you're going to skip your next space, do a double crochet, a total of 5 in the next space. So 1, that's your first double crochet, 2, that's your second double crochet in the same space, 3 double crochets in the same space, 4 double crochets in the same space, now 5. You're going to remove your hook, pull that yarn up, find your first space where you did your double crochet, which is right there. Insert your hook, put it through your first loop, then pull that loop through and tighten that stitch. And there's your second popcorn stitch. You're going to chain 1. You're going to skip the next space. So start a double crochet in this second space. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, and 5 double crochet in the same space. Pull that yarn up, and then remove your hook. Find that first double crochet you did in this sequence, insert your hook, put your hook through that loop, pull it through, and tighten. And there's your third popcorn stitch. Then you're going to yarn over. You're going to skip that first one. We're going to put it into the second space and do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. remove your hook, pull that up, insert it in your first one made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. There's our chain between it, so we're going to go right here. We're going to pull that yarn through and tighten. Then we're going to chain 1. We're going to start in the second space there, skip the first one, do 5 more, and then there's your popcorn stitch. So you have 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remove your hook, put it in the first space where you did your double crochet on your first one, pull it through, tighten that up, chain 1, and go forward. And as you can see, it makes a real knobby textured stitch. It's quite fun to do. You would definitely want this to be the right side of your pattern of whatever you're doing, because when you turn it over you see that it's just holes where you've done your popcorn stitch. So this would be the right stitch, the right side. So if you were doing a sequence of these, you would want to do a row of single crochet between each row so that your popcorn stitch would be facing out the right way, so that you'll always have this as the right side. I hope you enjoyed that stitch. It's kind of fun.